Hello Zeekers! Our top items to sell from Walmart to eBay video has been receiving lots of positive feedback, so thank you for that. So let's go ahead because I want to share with you the top 9 items to dropship from Walmart to eBay in October 2021. Are you ready to make some money with these products? Now, let's begin with item number 9 by jumping into my screen. So as always, starting with Zeke, we're gonna go into the product research. And then from here, we're gonna go ahead and open a new tab. In this case, and for this example, we're gonna go with Walmart. And we also want to recommend whoever is using Walmart as their supplier to use Walmart Plus. This gives you great profit for every item, and it actually gives you free shipping on every item, no matter the price. So now for this next step, we're going to scroll down and we're actually going to select any random item for this example. So here from home into kitchen appliances, let's go ahead and see what's selling now. So let's go with this random item, this stainless steel digital air fryer. You're going to go ahead and select the title and copy it. Then you're going to go back to Zeek Analytics product research, and in the search bar, you're going to paste this title and then go ahead and click on search. Now here at this part, the stats are really not that important to us. What is important is finding sellers who also use Walmart as their supplier. And this can be done by scrolling down to the product list and clicking this icon where it says scan seller. When you click on scan seller, it will open it up on a new tab and you will pretty much have all of this seller's information. And I suggest to select a couple of these at a time. And from each of these sellers that you have opened up, we're actually going to take the best items that are being sold. So when you come across a seller like this with a particular item, like such as this one that's selling for $61, you can go ahead and scan title. This will take you to another page on Zeek Analytics where you can actually scan more sellers that are selling this particular item using Walmart as their supplier. So as you can see, when you scroll down, go ahead and choose any. For this example, let's select this seller here and click on the scan seller icon. And as you can see, scrolling through, there are many items for you to choose from. All right, so now let's actually start with our number 9 item to sell in October 2021. So the first item on the list, which is number 9, we have this water filter selling for $21.99 on eBay. So let's do some calculation. $21.99 minus 13% of eBay in PayPal fees or Payoneer fees equals $19.13. So the item that we have to find with our supplier on Walmart.com has to be less than $19 for us to make any type of profit. And here it is in Walmart selling for $14.97. And I also have to mention again that we do use Walmart Plus, so this means that we have free shipping. So what you're going to do is take $19.13 minus $14.97. And you're left with a $4.16 profit for every sold item. So as you can see, I try and save all of the links to the best items here on the right side of my screen. Now, I also want to again mention Walmart Plus is a big savings. For great profit, use it. So moving on to our next item here on eBay. We have this cooker or food steamer selling on eBay for $26.99. So again, you're going to take $26.99 minus the 13% of your additional fees, and you're going to be left with $23.48. So now let's go to Walmart as our supplier. Again, we have to find an item that is less than $23. And here we have the same item that's selling on eBay for $19.99. So what you're going to do is take $23.48 minus $19.99, and you will get a profit of $3.49 for every sold item. Again, go ahead and save the links to each of these pages so you can always go back to them later on. As you can see, Zeek Analytics is an amazing tool. There are so many features, product research, competitors research, title builder, and more. It offers everything you need to build a selling machine on eBay. Take advantage of it today. The link is in the description. Let's move on to our next product. All right, so moving down our list, we have here on eBay this deep fryer selling for $26.99 on eBay. So same process again. You're going to take the eBay price of $26.99. You're going to go ahead and minus 13% of additional fees that you do have to pay for. And then you're going to find it on your supplier for less than that. Okay, so you can see that with our supplier, we have the same really similar product selling at $19.77. So what you do is you take $23.48 minus $19.77. And you would get a profit of $3.71 for each sold item. Now again, I have to mention, these are all free shipping because we are using Walmart Plus. Your profit would not be this much, or maybe it would be in the minus if you don't use Walmart Plus. So it's really important for me to mention this during this video. So go ahead and save the links again. And another thing I would like to mention about Walmart Plus, it only costs $12.99 a month. So it actually pays off in the end. So here, looking at our next item, this electric ice cream maker, $26.99 on eBay, minus 13% of additional fees. So you have $23.48, and then we go into Walmart here, and we have the same ice cream maker, which is red, selling at $19.96. So you're going to take $23.48 minus $19.96, and you will have your profit. And another thing you see here in Walmart is there's two different variations of this product when it comes to color. So I recommend putting both of the variations on eBay. This way you are giving your customers and your buyers a option, and they love options. So if you have the option to give them more colors, more variations, more sizes, put them all up on eBay. All right, so moving on to our next item, which is this pasta serving bowl, selling on eBay for $24.99. So it's the same process with the calculation. The eBay price, which is $24.99 minus the 13%, which are your additional fees, minus your purchase price with your supplier at $17.65. You get a profit of $4 for every sold item. And the reason we chose a lot of these kitchen items is because we are creeping towards the holiday season. So a lot of family get-togethers, and these little kitchen gadgets do the trick when there are more than 20 people in your house. Okay, so moving on to our next eBay item, which is this blender for fruit and smoothies, and it's selling at $33.99 here on eBay, and there's 32 sold. So let's go ahead and do the calculations for this item as well. And you get a profit of $4.63 for every sold item. And we are just calculating the profit for one sold item, but the profit tends to add up. And we always look for a minimum of 10% from the selling price to make a profit. If you are enjoying this video so far, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you. Okay, so we have this flower floral rolling tote, selling for $47.03 on eBay. This item you can see sold 50 times. It's a great item. So doing the calculations, $47.03 minus 13%, minus our purchase price of $39.97. And what happens now? We don't make money on this item, but you know what this item is? This item is a controlled loss strategy. Because there are so many of these sold, this is a great controlled loss strategy. You can see this is a new seller because he only has 179 feedbacks. And this item alone sold 50 times. So this seller knows what he's doing. And of course, we're going to go ahead and save this item. Because without a great feedback score on eBay, you're not going to make any sales. So when you have items like this with a controlled loss strategy, you're going to get a huge feedback score, great item, great price, and customers who keep coming back to your store. So the next item is this wooden table, $30.50 here on eBay. And again, holiday seasons are coming up. There is never enough places to put down your plates. So this is another great item to have in your store for October 2021. So let's calculate to see if there's a profit to be made. $30.50 minus the 13% of additional fees. Now let's see if this item can make us a profit or if it's a controlled loss strategy. So yes, there is a little bit of profit here because we are using the Walmart Plus program. So the profit would be $2.40. Again, go ahead and save the links to your items that you do find so you can always go back to them a little later. Now, of course, there are so many new additions to these families nowadays. And if you're traveling with a baby, this is a good item to take with you. So this is a baby swing selling at $92.79 here on eBay. Let's go ahead and calculate to see if there is a profit to be made. $92.79 minus 13% and minus $67.99. Now this is our number one item due to the profit. $12.73 of profit for each sold item. So go ahead and save the links to this item as well. And that's it. Those are the top 9 items to dropship from Walmart in October 2021. If you have suggestions for profitable items to dropship from Walmart in October, let us know by commenting down below. Thanks guys, take care, and I'll see you next time.